In this video, I will show you how to change language in Odoo. So in order to change your language, what you can do is you can get over right here to this configuration and then go over to the settings right here. Once you have done that, you can head over and then just look for the language option. In here, we have the languages, so you can head over and then click onto this drop down and then search more and then input right here language that you want to speak. So in here, if you don't have anything yet, for example, we only have English right here, what we can do is we can click onto this install languages. Now it should be able to show us in here this case. So for this one, let's head over and then add in here Spanish. Then click on add. And then if you want to change into Spanish right here, what you can do is we can head over and then delete English. So let's close this first. And then in here, this will load first. And in here, we have the default language, which is English. You can go over right here to the drop down and then change it into Spanish and then close or change or delete this English that we have right here. And then after that, save the changes that you have just made in order to change the language.